What are you doing? Huh? Are you riding a horsey? Are you riding the horsey? Horsey? Is that horsey? Nay! The horsey go nay! What are you doing now? What? Well, put it on. You know how to put it on. Put it on. Almost. You almost got it. Almost got it. Whoops. Put it in there. Put your hand in there. Ah, there we go. Little Avery. Little Avery has to have his armband. Crazy baby. No, no.
Not you guys.
Bryce, no.